Hi guys, this is Hussein again, Hussein Al-Bayati. So today I'm gonna speak about Garrett 80 Gold in more details, how to use it and the feature. So this machine, it comes with a 3 coil, big coil which is good for deep search, middle coil for the mid-range search, and the super sensor which is the small one. This one, it's good for the people who is digging, for the people who is looking for tiny nugget, for the people who is searching and following the gold vein. So the machine, it works with the normal battery. It has a battery, 4 batteries, so you can use a normal battery, and you can buy a rechargeable battery from anywhere, any supermarket you like, with a rechargeable set kit. If you want to use it normally, you can use like a normal battery and can last for a week, something like that, 4 days to a week. It depends on your usage. And the machine is waterproof. You can use it in the raining time. You can use it inside the river. It's a waterproof machine, and it can go up to 3 meter waterproof. So I will gonna show you the machine feature and how to use it in a proper way. So this is the keypad. This is the 2 coil, big coil, and I have some of the things to test. So I will go quickly how to use it in a professional way. So this is the disc mode. From here you can discriminate the iron. This is the sensitivity, which is the power, the threshold, the continuous sound, which give us extra deep and extra sensitivity, which is we don't need it right now. And this one, the on button and switching button between all metal disc 1 to disc 2. Iron audio will give a proper different sound for the iron and the hot rocks. Bit pointer, it will show you the 0 point of the coil, where the nugget exactly is. And frequency, if you have another machine, same brand, you can put this one in a frequency and the other machine in another frequency, so there will be no interference. And finally, the ground balance button, you press it, you pump the machine to the ground, you go ahead. So switch the machine on. I will put it in the best settings, which is what I use in Africa. So disc, I'm gonna put it on 2 up to 4 max, or 3. Keep it on 2. Keep the iron audio up. Sensitivity, it should be full, but here I cannot raise it up. I have electricity over there. And threshold, I do it always -2. And for the people who ask about the threshold, what is it? What is the meaning of the threshold? This is the extra sound, will give you extra sensitivity and extra, like, it will find the target better. But I do it -2 up to max -4 if the machine is noisy, so I cannot, so I can make the machine stable. Okay, so this one is 2, maximum is +4. This one is 2, maximum -4. Okay, so I will gonna show you a sample. Put the iron, yeah. So it's showing 7. Put the gold. You see this? So this bar over here will indicate for us this, which is it's gold or it's iron or hot rock. So from 0 to 30, it should be as a iron or a hot rock. We don't need to dig. If it's above 30, that means something precious, so we have to dig and get it. So if I want to cancel the iron, simply what I do, I'll make it 30. Please put the iron. It will give us a noisy sound. Put the gold. I don't want the sound for the iron totally. I don't need it. I press the iron audio. We see things which is moving, but same what you see. Put the gold. And final thing what we need to do is, after we set the machine, we press this button and we do a ground balance like that. Okay, so I will show you that. You see the coil, it comes with this coil and it comes with this one, and this one is good for finding small gold nugget, following the gold vein, and the tiny stuff. Please make a subscribe to the video, like, share it if you like the machine, and if you have any question, keep it below in the comment. Thank you.